Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to comment and uncomment any source code in Notepad++. Now, this is a pretty common feature in most text editor, and we are going to learn how to do that in Notepad++. Now, you can use multiple ways to comment a single line or multiple line uh, in Notepad++. And there are some keyboard shortcuts that I would highly recommend you to learn and memorize because that will really speed up uh, your development. And so today we are going to learn how to comment a single line, how to uncomment that, and how to use a block comment. So I have some example of different type of files. I have a Python script, there's a JavaScript, and then there's a C code. And we'll try to learn how to comment in each of them. So let's go there. Let's open this Python file. And if you want to comment a single line, you can just select that line. You don't need to actually select, you just need to be in that particular line and go to Edit and go to Comment. And right here it says single line comment. And as you can see, it just commented that out and it will use the right comment character depending upon your file. So I'll do undo. And I can select multiple lines to do the same. So I can select these multiple lines. I can go edit and single line. And again, it has already added a comment character right in front. So I'll do Control Z again. I go to JavaScript, and again I'll select a particular line. I won't be actually selecting it, just be there. Go to Edit, and then single line, and there you go. It just added a comment block right in front. Same with C. I can select multiple lines or a single line. Go there, comment, and here. There you go. Now, there are times where you want to just comment the entire section or a whole block of code. So in this case, perhaps we don't want this particular code block and we want to just comment this out. And so there is another set of comment part, which is a block comment. So I can go to Edit, Comment, and a block comment, which is Control Shift Q. And as you can see, it actually added a C style comment there. I could have done this also. I could have selected all of this, went to Edit, Comment, and single line comment. That would have worked as well, but it's just a different style of coding block, and the previous one is better or is cleaner. So I can go back again and then block comment. There you go. Now, if I want to uncomment it, I'll go there, same place, and block uncomment, right? So that's about it actually. But one thing I would highly recommend is to remember these keyboard shortcut. It's pretty easy. Once you start using it, you won't even realize that you need to remember that. And so in order to have a single line comment, it's a Control and K key. And if you want to uncomment, it's a Control Shift K. So again, I go back here and it just comes a second nature. I can do a Control K, or I can do Control Shift K, and it'll comment or uncomment a particular line or lines in your code. And then same thing with the code block. If I want to select all of them, I can do Control Shift Q, and that will comment that particular block. There is no, at least right now, there is no keyboard shortcut to uncomment the block. You have to do it from the menu item, right? So again, spend some time remembering these keyboard shortcut and also this menu item, and you will be able to do your code development pretty quickly. So that's about it, how to comment and uncomment your source code in Notepad++. Thank you.